My name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the 10,000 pound Carter electric brake trailer axle. Let's dive into it. Alright, so this is the 10,000 pound Carter electric brake axle. We'll check out some features on it. So, it has the aluminum oil caps on it right here for extra protection. Instead of those plastic caps, we've upgraded them to the aluminum oil caps. Has the transparent lens right here so you can see the oil level. You can feel it by taking off this rubber plug right here in the center, or you have a quick fill right here as well. It has the 5/8 studs on it with the 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. So 8 lug, 6.5, that'd be 6.5 inches from center of one stud to center of the other stud straight across. It has the 4.75 hub pilot on it, so you can run 17.5 inch or 16 inch tires and wheels. You can run the 17.5 inch duals or singles, or the 16 inch duals on here. It also comes with the tension ring on here, just like you'd see on the Dexter axles. So you put this tension ring on the outside of your wheel, just for further protection to grip it onto the wheel. It uses the 25580 outer bearing and the 387A inner bearing, just like the Dexter and Lippert axles would. Has the 10-51 oil seal on it. So all that standard. It has 12 1/4 by 3 3/8 self-adjusting brakes on it. And it has the 7-hole backing plates on it like you'd commonly see on the Dexter and Lippert axles. And it's pre-wired, as you can see, with the waterproof connections. Another great feature is that on the Carter axles, we use the adjusting spring pads. So if your trailer's ever dogtailing down the road, you know, pulling to the right or the left or whatever, not driving straight down the road, there's 2 bolts, one on each side here, and you can adjust these to make your trailer pull straight, to get your trailer in alignment. So that's a really nice feature to have. It uses the 72-80 leaf springs, which are 2.5 inches wide, 30.5 inches long, 5 leaf. So that's standard on all the Dexter and Lippert axles as well. And it has the rubber bushing in the spring with the 3/4 inch bolt that would go through. It has your heavy duty 5-inch diameter axle tube that's pre-wired and powder coated. Very nice. And you can also get these spring pads not welded on if you want to weld them in place wherever you choose to. We have that option. And yeah, it's a great axle. It's a great alternative to some other brand axles. I mean, the Carter axles, they're fully interchangeable with Dexter axles, Lippert axles, all the parts and components. So you can easily find parts across the nation if you ever need them. And it's a great alternative if you're looking for another axle brand option. Check them out online at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.